Hey guys, I want to show you the kitchen spritzer. This is used very much in my household. Um, I have gotten rid of all those can sprays, right, with all the aerosol and chemicals in them. This is just pure olive oil in here. I either use olive oil or avocado oil. Now, the kitchen spritzer, since it's not an aerosol spray can, for it to work, you have to pump it. Okay, so you're gonna pump the top until you start to feel like a whole lot of resistance, okay? And then you'll be ready to spray. I'll show you. Does a little fine mist. I think you can see that getting a little bit soaked, but you can kind of see the very fine mist. Maybe you can't, but it's so nice. And then to keep it from clogging up, every time you're done using it, we call burping the bottle. You just, I don't know if you heard that hiss, but you let the air out, close it back up tight, and put this back down. If we see in somebody's kitchen, they put their lid on and it looks like this, we know they didn't burp the bottle because you can't push it down, it won't stay all the way down because now there's pressure in there. So burp the bottle and then keep it on your counter and it will last a lot longer and won't clog up your spritzer. If your spritzer does get clogged up, you can actually just put a little bit of soap and water in there and you can run the soap and water through it several times and then run pure water through it quite a bit to get the soap out. But that is how you care for the kitchen spritzer, and I think this is a tool everybody can use in their kitchen.